Welcome to this demonstration on fuel filter inspection. Removal of fuel pump. Ensure the ignition switch is off. Remove the seat assembly and fuel tank. Loosen and remove the hex socket button head caps along with copper and fiber washers. Remove the clamp plate. Pull out the fuel pump from the tank. Take care to remove the O-ring from the fuel tank. Remove the fuel pump base body unit with the help of a screwdriver slowly so that it should come out from the lower base body. Now remove the fuel pump motor from the base unit. Now first, remove the filter cover by gently lifting the body with the help of a screwdriver. Remove the small and big O-ring from the slot in the fuel motor body cover and the fuel filter body cover. Fuel filter assembly. Fix the big O-ring in the fuel motor outlet passage. Fix the new fuel filter with motor top cover. Lock the fuel filter with the fuel pump motor so that it is seated on its position. Gently use the thumb to press it from the filter body towards the fuel motor. Fix the small O-ring in the base body of the filter passage. Now fix the motor unit with the lower base unit. Align the projection given in the main unit and the base unit and fix it with the help of a hand tie. Now fix the main unit terminal into the fuel tank by tightening the Allen sockets. Finally, reinstall the seat and fuel tank. Do's and don'ts. Ensure the ignition switch and kill switch are switched off. Drain fuel completely from the fuel tank before removing the fuel pump. Always change the O-rings when replacing the fuel filter. Do not disconnect the ECU coupler when the ignition is turned on.